G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make deep fried coconut prawns. These are so yummy. Let's go.
Simple Cooking Channel.
For this, get a mixing bowl, put in about 500 grams of prawns that you've peeled, taken the tail off. Now we just want to coat them in some corn flour, so just get some corn flour and just sprinkle some in there, and then we'll just sort of stir it around so they're coated. Get a bowl and 3 egg whites. Now we just want to beat this until it's light and fluffy. Okay, that's done, that's coated. You want to get some desiccated coconut, put that in a bowl. Now get these, you can either individually just coat them in this with the egg whites, or you could just try and chuck them all in there and speed that process up. Then chuck it in there so it's rolled in that. Once you've done that, we're going to deep fry. Oh yeah. Now you want to get some oil in a frying pan, or use a deep fryer if you've got one. Heat it up, and then we want to chuck in these. Yummy. It'll only take a minute to a minute and a half. Yummy! These are ready. Oh, beautiful. Just serve up as is. You can use them as a side dish, as an entree, a main, or just wolf them down. Well, I hope you like these. Let's try one. Oh yeah. That is so good. I am in love. I'll see you next time for my next meal.
Simple